Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I just came to see how you were.
You
were so quiet.
I'm eating my crackers for breakfast.
What, honey?
You want some crackers?
What is that?
It's crackers. It's good.
Crackers, yeah. No, I don't want any, babe. I got cookies and things. Have a cookie if you want.
No, I'm good. This is good.
Okay, honey. What
are you watching or playing?
I like to watch the game shows.
Oh.
Because I like to compete with them. I try to get the answer before them.
Wow.
Before them.
You're smart.
Yeah. It's I'm watching the game shows.
Yeah,
I got things to do. It's just that I'm a little lazy to get them done.
What do you want to do?
Huh?
What do you want to do?
No, I mean I have to call the bank.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
And stuff like that. I'm just not in the mood to do it now. I'll get to it.
Yeah, just take time.
Yeah, I'll get to it.
There's no due date, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna take these 2 days to
rest. Yeah. Be ready for tomorrow. Just relax.
I'm just gonna.
Because it's gonna be a big day for you tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
Sitting down for 3 hours.
I have to tell you, I hated it last time. I just hated it. I'm gonna be better this time. I'm gonna make up my mind that it is what it is, and I gotta get through it.
The acceptance. You just gotta accept.
I mean, because last time I just complained the whole time.
Oh,
I didn't complain.
It's just you don't like the situation.
I was tired and I was not happy, you know. But I made up my mind. If I gotta go through it, I gotta go through it, and I'm gonna just do the best.
Just be positive, be positive.
Because last time it was terrible. Every time I came home, I was exhausted.
Yeah.
I just couldn't do anything.
No, that's part of the reaction.
Yeah.
That's really part of the reaction because they're cleaning your blood inside of your body and to make your.
I mean, they were very nice there. You know, I didn't.
Yeah, they are very nice. Very nice people. Yeah.
But just laying there for 3 hours was.
And don't forget to bring water.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah. And I'm gonna take my iPad, I got a book on it.
Yeah.
So I'll read the book while I'm there. That'll pass the time.
Correct. Yeah. Something to watch, right?
Yeah. Do your thing.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever you want, sit.
Sit. Yeah, I'll just eat first and then I'll do something.
You don't have to work like a dog.
Yeah, I know. You're too nice to me. You're really too nice to me.
No, you sit. You cleaned up this place yesterday. I mean, there's no more to do.
No more to do, yeah.
Just sit. I'm going to go sit and watch that game show. See if I can beat the other guy.
Yeah. Let me know if you win.
Yeah, listen. Gotta have something to do.
So, she's 95. She just got out from the hospital. Ayaw niya talaga ng caregiver. Ayaw niya ng caregiver. But, ang anak niya na 2 lawyer, tapos yung daughter-in-law, isang daughter-in-law is a lawyer also. Tapos yung isang daughter-in-law niya is, she works in the government, sa Homeland Security. So imagine that. So that's part of immigration. So, I already cleaned everything. Pakita ko sa inyo. Malinis naman talaga siya. Pero, yung mga dust, tapos yung mga sobrang linis. At guys, akala ko yesterday, real pero fake. Fake siya na lemon. At yan, natutulog ang aking hubby. So, super linis na. Meron pang linis sa granite. Nilinis ko na yan kanina. Lahat ng drawers, microwave, refrigerator, stove, nilinisan ko na yan. Lahat inside and out. Tapos ito ang kanyang living room. Oh, dining room. Ang dining room niya. Super ganda ng mga nilagay dito. Talagang alam mong mamahalin siya. Tapos ito ang kanyang small living room. Malaki ang bahay nila noon, but since na nakita niya yung signs na nahihirapan na yung husband niya sa up and down, yung may stairs. So, they choose to live in this condo. So, ang ganda ng mga collection niya. Talagang may presyo talaga siya. Ito, mga anak niya. Hindi ko i-focus sa mga picture kasi hindi pwede. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. So, ano lang. Yeah. Super linis, guys. Kasi nililinisan ko na talaga siya. So, nilinisan ko na kahapon buong bahay. Malinis naman talaga. Wala talagang ano. Pero, may mga dust, mga abog na hindi makita kay partially blind na siya dahil sa glaucoma. So, hindi na talaga pwedeng operahan kasi sa edad din niya, ayaw din niya. And her husband died few years ago. So, meron siyang kapatid, guys, 100 years old, mag-101 August 12 ata or 11. 101. Walang caregiver. Nakatira pa sa malaking bahay. Siya lang. Imagine that. And every day, nag-exercise, nag-walking ng 2 blocks away from the house. Hindi na makakita yan. Ano lang, cane lang yung ginagamit. So, itong trabaho ko is only 8 hours. I started yesterday. Pero hindi ko alam kung meron pa akong trabaho next. Tomorrow, alam ko wala akong trabaho tomorrow. Kasi sabi ng lawyer na anak, don't worry, Mary. We'll final everything after the dialysis. Kasi, pag mag-dialysis na kasi, weak na ang katawan mong lupa. So, alam na alam ko yan kasi yun din ang nangyayari kay Doc. Sa edad kasi nila, maging weak na ang kanilang mga immune system. So, mabait ang mga anak, guys. Nagpunta lang ako dito ng less than 2 hours for an interview the other day, Wednesday afternoon. Binabayaran ako ng 2 hours. So, meaning, when you meet this kind of people, meaning hindi sila and they really care, caregivers, kasi yung daughter-in-law na si Robin, yung mother or father niya may caregiver din, at talagang ang laking respeto niya sa mga caregiver. So ngayon, alam ko naman walang gagawin. Naghanap talaga ako ng may magagawa kasi binabayaran ka tapos nag-upo-upo ka lang. So before I sit down, may ginagawa na po talaga ako. Dumating ako, talagang trabaho agad. Sabi na, Mary, you don't need to do anything, watch TV. Ayoko lang ganun. No. Wala pa talaga akong trabaho, guys, na permanent. Meron na sanang trabaho. 10 days lang yung gusto nila. 10 days lang. Meron namang trabaho na binigay sana ng agency. 6'8" tata ang height ng matandang lalaki. Tapos lifting. Ayoko na mag-arrest yung sarili ko sa mga ganun. Talagang mapili na talaga ako ngayon for the sake of my shoulder. So, yun lang ma-share ko sa inyo. So, yun ang story of my life ngayon dito sa US. Na hindi straight yung trabaho ko. Napaka-lonely dito pag walang trabaho, guys. Mabuti pa sa Pilipinas pag walang trabaho, di ba? Marami kang maisip na puntahan kung may pera. Pero dito, ay naku, iwan ko. But, God is good. I'm not complaining. I know there's a job out there for me. Maybe ito. Sana, pray natin kasi mabait ang matanda. Sobrang bait ng pamilya. Wala akong complain. So, talaga namang darating tayo sa path na marabag ka ng bato-batoon ang dalan na guba ang dalan. But, is this straight rin ni Lord? I-surrender natin sa Lord lahat. So, yun lang ang ma-share ko sa inyo, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye! Please do subscribe kasi mamimigay ako ng pangkabuhayan. But sana hindi kayo mag-iiwan. Sana nandyan pa rin kayo active. Bye!